Hello guys, welcome to the Homemades. Today we are going to make milk pedha. All you need is 1 liter of milk or 5 cups of milk and 1/4 cup of sugar, which is approximately 50 grams of sugar. Keep the milk to boil on high flame and stir it continuously. Don't forget to scrape the ends. When the milk boils like this, reduce the flame. It is after 30 minutes. Stir it continuously. You can see the milk start getting thick. After 50 minutes or so, you will get this kind of texture. Now it's time to add the sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. When you add sugar, the paste becomes a bit liquidy. Let the mixture cook well. Cook it until it gets slight brownish. When fully cooked, transfer it into a plate and let it cool. When it is cooled completely, you can make any kind of shape of this mixture. Mix it slightly so that you can make the shapes easily. There we are, our sweet dish is completely ready, almost within an hour.